Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of wooden art. If I understand correctly, you are interested in wooden art with a historical theme or style. Wooden art has a rich history and has been used for various purposes throughout different time periods and cultures. From intricate carvings to functional objects, wood has been a popular medium for artistic expression. One prominent example of historical wooden art is wood carving, which involves shaping wood with tools to create intricate designs or sculptures. Wood carvings have been found in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and China, often used for religious or decorative purposes. These carvings depict mythological figures, religious scenes, and everyday life. In medieval Europe, wood carving was widely employed in the decoration of churches and cathedrals. The intricate wooden sculptures adorning altarpieces, choir stalls, and doorways showcased the craftsmanship and artistic skill of the time. These carvings often depicted religious themes, saints, and biblical stories. Wood has also been used to create functional objects with artistic details. For example, during the Renaissance, skilled woodworkers crafted ornate furniture, cabinets, and chests. These pieces often featured intricate carvings, inlays, and marquetry, showcasing the craftsmanship and artistic sensibilities of the era. Another fascinating example of historical wooden art is shipbuilding. Throughout history, wooden ships played a crucial role in exploration, trade, and warfare. Building a wooden ship required skilled craftsmanship and an understanding of the properties of different types of wood. Shipbuilders created detailed carvings and decorative elements on the ships, such as figureheads and stern decorations, which often reflected the cultural and artistic styles of the time. If you are interested in exploring historical wooden art further, I recommend visiting museums or art galleries that specialize in historical art collections. These institutions often have exhibits dedicated to wooden art, providing insights into its historical significance and cultural context. Additionally, there are books and online resources available that delve into the topic of wooden art history, offering a wealth of information and visual examples. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey through the world of wooden art. I hope you enjoyed discovering the beauty and craftsmanship behind these creations. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more artistic adventures. Until next time, stay creative.